Welcome to another mega exciting 5-minute auto prank. So kromos. Can I play a dragon and see how theoretical I can make this? A quick d5 here. Do you know this line? Okay. Apparently he might know it. By the way he's playing. Knight c3 check. If he takes, there's queen d1. Takes with the queen there. Takes with the pawn. Check. King c1. e4. Alright, it's something to bear in mind. Maybe just queen b1, queen b8 to start off with. I think I want to play e4. Do I? e4 looks as though I should play it for that bishop in one level of intuition, intuitively. Now knight d3 or takes on knight d3. No, it's not happening. There's rook d6. What about this pin? This guy's a bit casual in an earlier game. I don't know. He's getting to this pin. I suppose it works out with queen c3. There's rook takes on c5. Hold on a sec. So does he have to play queen e3, right? But then there's rook takes on knight d3. Isn't that awkward? Rook takes on knight d3. Because I'm threatening. Mate, he plays bishop d3. c5. Knight d3, bishop d3, I've got bishop d4. So why don't I play this? It's interrupting d4, threatening. No, I'm not threatening, mate. Don't tell me he's just winning a pawn then. Has he just won a pawn for me? Oh my man, with bishop d3. Great. I've just lost the pawn. He's played it. I just keep thinking he's so casual and everything works out for him after. That's just great. Jeez. I should think more against them. I don't know.
Check.
Even so, this looks like queen c3. I'm in big trouble. I just take the queens off. Black rook and pawn ending. a3, queen a4, queen c3, rook f8. My back row is awkward. Yeah, I'm short on time as well. It just blitzes it. It absolutely blitzes it. I just had a clear total win earlier in an earlier game against him. If I just played a more accurate move, it was like totally like losing a piece for nothing. But anyway, no, he's under control. He's got the position under control. Unfortunately. Any little tricks? Isn't there a rook e1 check almost? No, I'm going to lose on time here as well at this rate.
Check.
35 seconds. Rook e4 threatens, maybe 32 seconds. I've never played so slowly. B3 is trapping my queen, isn't it?
Check. Check. Time warning.
Yeah. Say that again. Time warning. Yeah, it's just material down. It's nothing. It's 2 pawns down. Down to 19 seconds. I've been killed on the clock and position. And yeah, that moment of excitement, he's just, I don't know. There was nothing to be excited about. Oh well, it's lost. It's gone. It's gone. I do, yeah, nothing. All right. Let's have a look at it theoretically. That's okay as well, yeah. A5 is okay, I think. This looked like a little bit, yeah, as though there was something. Rook B8. Why is the evaluation creeping up gigantically? Right here, I think it is the case, you know, that knight c3 check is an issue, yeah. So say, alright, say he does bishop d3, then there's e4, that is an issue. So this is the second game, don't tell me this is like completely winning position, yeah. If I played more accurately. So rook b8. What is he doing in this position? Bishop d4? Oh, crikey. Yeah. It looks as though, if I get this again against them, rook b8. I mean, what is this? He's just letting, I don't know, it's like, it's playing for a tactic, but, yeah. Oh, I don't know what he does here. He's unblockaded my diagonal. I think this is the point which is bugging me about this game. He unblockaded my diagonal. You don't usually get this. And I got this, but I'm overexcited by it, and I play Queen B8 instead of Rook B8. But I got to factor in. I suppose I was trying. Yeah, this Knight C3 result. This is a good position to know if you're a dragon player. Then perhaps Rook B8. This tactic Knight C3 at least. Here, Knight C3. Yeah. Crikey. Okay, it's something to bear in mind even for long games. Rook B8 here. Nice tactic. Because he's basically given the dragon bishop. It's fire-breathing property. Right, Rook B8. Yeah, what does he do? Try and block with bishop C4? E4. What does he do? Bishop B3? This is E3 all the time. Yeah. A4. Starts to look really dangerous. The whole thing. Okay, it's something to bear in mind anyway, theoretically, if I ever get this position again. Or if you guys. Rook B8. Wow, Rook B8. It's a theoretical. What does he do? What does he do? B3? Oh, this is different than Bishop H6. He takes here. Alright, it doesn't matter about this, because again, Knight C3. So let's say he plays H4, Knight C3. Oh, crikey. I just thought it's just too... Second game, I could have just totally, like, I don't know, get a nearly completely winning position, basically. Anyway, alright. Thanks very much.